Hello YouTube family, welcome back to our channel Learn and Grow. Our today's topic is A to Z shortcut keys. So let us begin. Ctrl plus A, all select. Ctrl plus B, bold. Ctrl plus C, copy. Ctrl plus D, font, duplicate. Ctrl plus E, center. Ctrl plus F, find. Ctrl plus G, go to. Ctrl plus H, replace. Ctrl plus I, italic. Ctrl plus J, justify. Ctrl plus K, hyperlink. Ctrl plus L, align text left. Ctrl plus M, hanging indent. Ctrl plus N, new page. Ctrl plus O, open. Ctrl plus P, print. Ctrl plus Q, add space after paragraph. Ctrl plus R, align text to right. Ctrl plus S, save. Ctrl plus T, left indent. Ctrl plus U, underline. Ctrl plus V, paste. Ctrl plus W, close. Ctrl plus X, cut. Ctrl plus Y, repeat, redo. Ctrl plus Z, undo. अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो then please like, share and subscribe to our channel Learn and Grow for more educational content. Thank you.